Hi, I'm David Townsley, owner of Bristol Snow and Landscaping, and want to demonstrate how to start your snowblower. There are several different options that you have. If you're purchasing one, you want to definitely get an electric start version. And with that, you actually get an extension cord. You plug it into the wall. You plug your extension cord right here into this. And then you're able to push this button for 5 seconds, and that will help to make your life a lot easier. If you are starting it in a location where there is no extension cord, then we'll go through the different procedures here. So first, you got the fuel shut off. I never touch this. I always keep the fuel on open. And so you want it pointed to the gas can. The next is your key. This is your on-off switch. It's currently in the on position for this particular model. If you want to turn it off, then you just turn it vertical like this. I always keep it in the same position. Then over here on this side is your squeeze bulb to prime your fuel. And then your last control is going to be your choke, which is right here. Run is all the way up closer to the 1 o'clock position. And then the start is over here at about 3 o'clock position. So all the controls are ready to start. We can now use the recoil start, or if the situation is right, you can use the extension cord start in order to get things started. One thing I think is very important for us, we try not to shut off any equipment as we're going, because it's one more thing that could happen, not being able to get a piece of equipment started. So we try not to. Occasionally we'll have a long stretch where we won't be using the snowblower. And so in that case, we can turn it off. But keep in mind, if you're out in the snow, very hard to see the controls when they're covered with snow. The best option is when you shut down your snowblower, turn everything so that it is ready to start. That way, all you have to do is give it the squeeze bulb a few hits to be able to get it primed, and you're ready to go for starting. So I'll give a few pulls here just to get it started. You also have your gas in here. If it's not starting, I would start by checking that first. But we should be lined up here, and I'll get it started and then shut it right down. Choke was up to run, and you heard it smooth out, and then you're able to start running it. Now, to make sure this is ready to go the next time we need it, I'm going to turn everything in the start position. That's the 3 o'clock here on the choke, and then horizontal position with the key. So now we're off and ready to get started and get some snow taken care of to keep everybody safe.